beauties, Waah Gwaan, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So for today's video I'll be doing some Hello Kitty nails. This wasn't actually planned. I went in thinking that I would have done regular French pink nails, very girly nails, but I never thought I would ever do Hello Kitty nails. But here I am doing some Hello Kitty nails for y'all. So this video won't be a heavily talk through type video as all my other videos, because some videos just don't need that right now. So yeah, so the acrylic that I'll be using for today's video is Extreme Pink from Glamour Nails. I must say that this pink, I'm very very happy with how these acrylics are applying from Glamour Nails. I mean, I have not used much of their acrylic system, but thumbs up, it's really a good purchase. So I'll be using the 3-ball bead method. I don't want everybody to confine to the fact that they should only use the 3-ball bead method, because that's not it. If you find that you need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, how many you want to make the nail look as how you want it to, or how the client wants it to, use that amount of beads for your nails. So I'll be going in with the Extreme Pink for the entire nail, and then when I'm through, I will then jump right back into this video. That I'm through with the application of the acrylic and also with the filing, I'll then take this pink gel polish to create my French nails. I think this is the pinkest pink from Nail It JA, and I'll be taking that to create my French nails. now that my French is drawn onto the nail, I'm going in with the nail art portion. So I'll be creating the head of the Hello Kitty as best as I possibly can, and I'll take the white from the same collection as the pink and create the head, and I will fill it in. I'll do the outline first and then I'll fill in, cure for the 30 seconds, and I will go in again with another coat to intensify the color. And after that, I will then go in and draw the ears. This is one of my favorite things to do when it comes on to nail art, going around the nail, outlining the characters on the nail. So I'll take my black to create the outline of the Hello Kitty character on the nail, and after that is done, I will then go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. So after I have my character head outlined, I will then go in and draw the eyes. And after drawing the eyes, you know you want to flash cure after each touch on the nail art because you don't want to mess it up by anything sudden. So you flash cure that for 10 seconds. Because it's the eye, I'll cure it for that 10 seconds. So I'll go in and draw the whiskers onto my Hello Kitty character. It's coming down to the final part of the nail art, and I'll cure that for the 30 seconds, and afterwards I will draw in my nose and outline that, cure that for the 30 seconds each, and then I will do my final curing for 60 seconds to ensure that everything is cured properly. So after I'm through with the nail art portion, I will then go in with my gel top coat, giving it a nice thin layer, and then curing that for 60 seconds. And after I'm through with the curing, I'll then go in and apply my bow, my fancy bow to my Hello Kitty, ties in everything well. And after that, I will then cure for 30 seconds. I'll be fast curing everything for 30 seconds just to ensure that everything stays for right now until I am ready, to be done with this whole set. So after that is done, I will go in again with my gel top coat, going over each of these nails with a nice thin layer of gel. I don't want to take away from the nail shape, so I need to apply everything thinly to the nail. Cure that for the 60 seconds all around my cuticles. Then I come to you guys with the reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.